Hello students. In this lecture we will discuss about the management of advertising program. So in developing an advertising program, marketing manager must always start by identifying the target market or buyer's motives. So there are 6M of advertising program that should be followed by any advertiser. And these 6M are first is mission. Mission are what are the advertising objective? Mission are related with the objectives. Then money, how much the advertising budget will be. It is about the budget of the advertising. Then message, what message should be generated? It means what type of information you want to give to the customers. Media, what media should be selected? We have different medias like TV, television, press, radio. So we have different methods. So what media will be selected by the advertiser to give his information? Then making, what advertisement should be created? What advertisement should be created? And the last one is measurement, how should the impact or result be measured or evaluated? So these are 6M that should be followed by any advertiser when he is going to make an advertisement. So we will discuss about mission, establishment of objectives. So advertising objectives or goals is a specific communication task and achievement level to be accomplished with a specific audience in a specific period of time. So advertising objective we have discussed in the previous chapter, maybe three types, or informative, persuasive, or reminders. So informative advertising create brand awareness, knowledge of new product and new features of existing product. Like persuasive advertisement, it create liking, preference, convictions and purchase of a product or service. And the reminding advertising aims to stimulate repeat purchase of product and service. Like four color of Coca-Cola ads in magazines are intended to remind people to purchase Coca-Cola again and again. So the advertising objective should emerge from a thorough analysis of the current market situation. And if the product class is mature, the company is in the market leader, the brand usage is low, the objective is to stimulate more usage. Okay. The second is money. Money is fixing about the advertising budget. How much the manufacturer will spend on advertising? This is a complex problem which is often solved by predetermining the amount that could be spent on advertising. So every manufacturer set apart a sum of to be spent for advertising, which is referred to as advertising appropriations. So when we are taking about the decision of a budget, the company should consider some factors like stage of the product life cycle, product sustainabilities, and market share and customer base, like competition and culture and advertising frequencies. So there are various methods of fixation of a advertising budget. The first method of advertising approach may be their market share approach. Market share analysis is very common and most used approach to select a advertising budget. And in this approach, the firm for their demand analysis and evaluate market efficiency. Same method is adopted in allocating fund for advertising. The second approach is arbitrary allocation. This is most unscientific method. An arbitrary amount is spent on promotion without knowing the demand, without knowing the market share, or without knowing the frequency of the advertising. Percentage of sales method. Under this method, a certain amount is allocated for advertising as a percentage of past sales or anticipated sales, and it can be used on sales by product territory or customers group by the firm or organization. Task and objective method, this is most popular and most valuable approach of the management to set the budget for the advertising. And in this method, first of all, advertising objectives are established, then communication tools required to achieve these objectives are designed, and then determine the cost required to execute promotional activities and program. So advertising expenditure is directly related to the objectives to be achieved. That's why it is very scientific and most important, or most valuable and most used approach of advertising budget. Then competitive parity method is also there. It is a method whereby the advertising expenditure of one firm is decided on the basis of expenditure incurred by the other firm, which is a competitive firm of the organization. This is called V2 approach. So next approach is a fund availability method. This method say that the amount available after meeting operating costs, dividend payments would be completely spent on advertising. And incremental methods are there also. It is also referred as rate on investment method. So this approach emphasizes the relationship between advertising and contribution to profit. Fixed sum per unit method is also there. In this method, this is a similar method of percentage of sales method. In this method, per unit contribution is calculated, and on the basis of the per unit contribution, the amount of advertising is decided. So these are some methods of deciding the advertising budget approaches. A manufacturer or a advertiser should decide their manufacturing budget or prepare their budget according to their financial resources, according to the task and objective of the organizational advertising budget. Then the third M is message, generating the message. In designing and evaluating an ad campaign, market employ both art and science to develop the message strategy. What the ad attempts to convey about, and it means what the message is about, what you want to say in your message. It should be clearly defined. What type of appeal you want to make in your message, it should be clearly defined. So advertising go through three steps: message generation, evaluation, and create and development and execution. So message creation is a process, creative development of the fact to say about the good or service offered. Messages are prepared in the light of promotional objectives or product's current image and desired positioning of the product. Then message evaluation requires managerial talent, as alternatives are to be developed and the best one is to be chosen. So these are some steps when we are developing a message. The next decision is about media. The advertisement's impact depend on, not only what it says but also how it is says. So execution can be decisive. So every advertising medium has advantages and disadvantages. So review, uh, like televisions, print, radio, advertising medias. We have various advertising media. A company should decide their advertising media according to their customers, according to their audience, natures of the product, and about the features of their audience. A firm's resources also, uh, advertising media is based on the resources of the company. A company full of resources, financial resources, can choose television as their media of advertising, eh, which give most impact on the customer's mind. And a firm who has no financial resources, he can use other methods of advertising also. And the next is measurement, assessing the impact and measuring the effectiveness of the advertising. And the last step, uh, in developing and managing an advertising program, to assess or measure the effectiveness of the program. And it is very difficult job. Ad effectiveness measures can be both direct or indirect. So direct test may be applied to know the effectiveness of the advertising also, which complies the resources responses to an ad or its a campaign can be used only with a few types of ads. Tabulating the numbers of redemptions of a reduced price coupon incorporated in ad also considered as a direct test. So three common recall tests are there, like recognition, added recall, and unadded recall. Recognition show people's an ad and asking if they have seen it before. Added recall, asking people if they can recall seeing any ads for a particular brand. Or unadded recall, asking people if they can remember seeing any ads with an identified product or category. So these are some methods of measuring the impact or effectiveness of the advertising. So these are some methods, or these are the 6M of managing the advertising. This should be followed by every advertiser carefully, and then design their advertisement so they can give effective result and best result of their advertising.